Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on XRP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that XRP was reaching the resistance of a symmetrical triangle, a quite long-term symmetrical triangle that is formed on a weekly time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that XRP is still trying to break out the symmetrical triangle. The support is quite long-term. That is coming from the month of March 2020 when we had this big drop. We had a bounce here. Then we had another bounce here, almost had another bounce here, and this was another bounce, and this was another bounce. And recently, the price and almost had another bounce here, and now the price and is once again reached the resistance of this triangle. By the way, this resistance was found here in the month of July 2022. We got rejection here, another rejection here, and another rejection here, and this is the most recent touch point here we are watching right now. It is trying to break out the resistance, and the movement is now quite squeezed. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XRP that I shared a few days ago on 4th of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 28% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XRP that I shared on 4th of November 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that XRP formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell target on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal. Here, by the way, once again, it was entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very powerful reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 28%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XRP, and this is a 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this the symmetrical triangle. By the way, we found the support here in the month of March 2020 and resistance here in the month of July 2023. And now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. For example, if once again it will be rejected by the resistance, then it can test the support of the triangle somewhere here, approximately at 49.5 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this triangle, the technical target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $1.62. And if the price and reaches here, then first it can break out this long-term resistance of 80 cents. If we move back here, then you can see that this 80 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it has been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. This is a quite long-term resistance. And after that, it can be the next long-term resistance here at $1.37.6. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of XRP. By the way, the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is also still due. That target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.